Hi everyone! If you need a free and reliable tool to split, merge, rotate, or extract pages from PDF files, PDFsam Basic is a great choice. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to download and install PDFsam Basic on your Windows computer. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official PDFsam website. This ensures you're downloading the latest and safest version of the software. Next, choose PDFsam Basic, which is the free edition, then click the download button for Windows. Depending on your browser, the installer will begin downloading automatically. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. If Windows asks for permission through User Account Control, click Yes to continue. Follow the installation wizard by accepting the license agreement, choosing the installation location if needed, and clicking Install. Wait while Windows installs PDFsam Basic on your computer. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. You can launch PDFsam Basic immediately or open it later from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. When PDFsam Basic opens, you'll see tools for merging PDF files, splitting documents, rotating pages, extracting selected pages, and more. You're now ready to start managing your PDF files. And that's how you install PDFsam Basic on Windows. Yeah, the setup only takes a few minutes, and you'll have a powerful free PDF tool ready to use. If this tutorial helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more easy technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.